Please contact us for exact pricing and rebates. We are a one-price dealer. Our everyday lowest price is clearly marked on every new and used vehicle in our inventory. We can also send you a video of your selection on request. No documentation fees or dealer prep fees.